Hi there, it's Garrett and Janet from Port Monkeys, and today we're getting off the Eurodam in the port of Ketchikan, Alaska, and we're going to just make a quick video for you on how to get to Creek Street. Now we're the very southern berth. Some other ships are going to pull in further that way. So if you're in one of those kind of ships that are parked there, or tender, the tender dock is right down there, then you're gonna have to walk along here or walk up between the buildings. This is like your main shopping area here. So when you get off, there's a handy sign showing you where most things are. Like I said, that's Front Street, that's the shopping area. There is a mall right there where it says outlet store, Salmon Landing. There's a bathroom upstairs there, second floor. We're getting on Spruce Mill Road, going up Spruce Mill. There's these signs everywhere. And so we're just gonna walk straight up, because Creek Street is straight up. Like I say, this is Spruce Mill Road. And there's lots of shops here. Remember, many of the shops are owned by the cruise lines or big conglomerates. There are several that are native owned, Alaska owned, local owned, and you should probably make up your own mind on where you want to shop. Notice it says Creek Street straight ahead. Now right there is the Great Alaska Lumberjack Show, and you'll probably hear it before too long. And this is Rain Barrel Unique Alaskan Gifts, and they have totems. Totem, totem, totem. I feel like, oh yeah, that's wood, just heavily painted. There's the Discovery Center, you know, part of the park system. If you have a National Parks Pass, like we do, you get in there for free. So that voice you hear is the Lumberjack Show. And that's where it is. The Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show. So stay on the sidewalk and head towards the pink building. That's a government building. See, more signs telling you where to go. So don't let me tell you where to go. Hear the excitement? Sounds exciting. Anyway, Stedman Thomas Park District. Up there is the Cape Fox Lodge. And there's a little funicular, little train that goes up. But I think it's closed down right now. And this is the waterfront. Notice the water. And there's, so we came there. There's the ship right there. We went pretty much straight up Spruce Mill and then across a parking lot. And then there's a boardwalk. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. We're leaving 11:30. We have a tour later today for 2 hours. Gonna sail down there and look for wildlife. There's the duck boat. You know, it can drive on land, it can go in the water. So they must stop looking at Creek Street because that's Creek Street. Not this, but that. So we're going to try to cross the street right here at a crosswalk and hope those people stop. And they're pretty good about it, but you know. So this is it, Creek Street. That's Ketchikan Creek down there. And it's full of dead salmon. I didn't see any live ones here. We were just up here a minute ago, but there are plenty of dead ones down there. Oh, there's one right there. See that? That's Creek Street, and there's a sea lion here, or a harbor seal or something. There's a salmon swimming around. And some seals. A couple of them. On board they said they were harbor seals. Alls I know is that's Creek Street. Dolly. And of course there's the entrance. So we're going to walk a little bit further up. There's the ship, Eurodam. This is like the main road. And see, the sign says Creek Street that way.
Be careful over here.
And there it is, Creek Street. Now, you notice the buildings are built on pilings rather than on land. That's how they avoided the laws against prostitution. So these were houses of ill repute, full of ladies of the evening, like that one. And this is where both men and salmon came upstream to spawn.
Welcome to the old red light district, sweetheart. All these buildings were brothels back in the day.
So she's backing up my story. More dead salmon and more creek. There's the little seal. See, he's got a salmon in his mouth. Oh, you probably can't see it. Oh, there's a live one. Probably can't see that well. And lots of seagulls. So that's how to get to Creek Street. Let's just walk up to the end of it. There's a lot of gift shops. Niblick's is closed. Maybe they open earlier or later. This place is closed. This is Alaska's largest gold nugget selection.
Right.
More dead salmon, more seagulls eating them. Fish Creek Company. Live free or die. Worry is a waste of imagination. No rain, no flowers. That's the funicular. You know, it's a little inclined train or tram or whatever. There's the rails, and that's the Cape Fox Lodge. But I haven't seen this run in a couple of years now, so don't know that it still does. That is a good place to buy salmon. They have like 100 different kinds of smoked salmon in there, maybe more, and free samples. Don't forget the free samples. So you can go out there and around this building, or you can go this way around this building. This is Soho Coho. It's like a gift shop and artworks or works of art for sale. Now there's a lot of people going to be out here. So, see, Alaska Eagle Arts Gallery. But this is where the rapids are, you might say. And it smells like dead fish. And there's this fish statue. So sometimes you can see the salmon jumping, but we're like at the end of the season now, so we're not going to see any. Now if you go up those stairs and walk along there, That's Married Man's Trail, and it goes out to the road, and then you can walk up to the city park. You see the salmon there? I bet you do. They're silvery and dead. So, from Ketchikan, Alaska, I'm Gareth,
And Janet,
saying
see you in the next port.
bye.
Port Monkeys out.